What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Ecom Academy channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 niches, in my opinion, that you should start selling in on Amazon in August of 2024. And obviously, it takes a little bit to actually get a product into Amazon. It's usually 30 to 60 days from the time that you find a product, let's say that you decide to do one of these products, to the point when you actually have your units arrive into the Amazon warehouse. It's 30 to 60 days. So even though the video is for August of 2024, just keep in mind that the earliest that your units can come in are going to be this fall. So let's get right into it. Number 1 niche to sell on Amazon FBA in August of 2024. And I think that this niche is actually good to sell it all the time. It is the hair regrowth niche. So people are obviously struggling with their hair loss, right? And that's people all over the world. That's women, that's men. I especially think that the men's hair regrowth niche is underserved because if you actually look at the availabilities, it's usually like drugs, right? But there's a whole lot of new natural solutions and natural products that are being unrolled that are available now on Amazon and just on the market. And it's all a question of just like branding it correctly, putting it into a nice kit, like a men's hair regrowth kit, and then launching it on Amazon. The Google trend graph for male hair loss in the United States is actually rising, interestingly enough. So obviously there are more and more men that are having this problem. And some product ideas for the male hair loss space are: number 1, laser hair growth helmets with an average revenue of $53,793, according to Jungle Scout. Biotin and collagen infused hair serums for men with an average revenue of $166,391 per month. If you look at Jungle Scout, all the products, by the way, Jungle Scout is the product research tool that I'm using. It is a tool that allows you to see how much money products are making on Amazon. The link for it is down below. It is my partner link, and it is the cheapest price available online. So that's where you can get it. It is absolutely vital when doing product research on Amazon because you need to be able to know how much products are making. I'm actually going to put together a Jungle Scout complete tutorial on this channel with all of the features that are in it. So make sure to stay tuned for that. That's going to come out on this channel. And then the third product suggestion in the men's hair regrowth niche is the men's hair growth spray. And that comes in at an average revenue of $112,864 per month. And the opportunity score on Jungle Scout is 8 out of 10, which says high demand, low competition. And remember, you don't want to just be, copying the first product you see off Amazon. You want to actually be doing your product research, doing your market research, reading the negative reviews, figuring out what products are actually good, how products can be improved. And you want to create a product that when it comes in, it pretty much knocks all the other products out because it's so good. And what I always say is, 1.5x better is what you want to look for. So you just want a product that's 1.5x better than what's available on the market. And I have videos on this. You can check out my product research with AI video on this channel. And I'm also going to be making a product improvement video. You can check that out as well. The second niche is gaming accessories. Gaming accessories are becoming more and more popular as more and more people are getting into gaming. In fact, one of my favorite hobbies is gaming. I took a long break when I was forced by society and by family to just go to university and things like that. In fact, I was actually my first business online was making gaming videos on an old YouTube channel. If you can find it, you're a genius. If you can find it, it's pretty funny. It's pretty fun stuff. I actually made a few videos on there recently. I decided to revive it. But I've recently gotten back into gaming. It's been fantastic, and it's just been super fun, just to kind of have some fun after work, right? And just when you have nothing better to do. So I really like the gaming accessories niche. I think there's a lot of room to create a really good gaming accessories brand. So the first product in this niche is a gaming chair cooling and heating pad. I think this is fantastic. Jungle Scout is showing an average revenue of $90,273 per month with an opportunity score of 7 out of 10, which 7 and 8 is great. Usually most products on Amazon are going to be like a 4 or a 5, especially on Amazon US. But the market here looks really, really honestly like just underserved. A lot of people like to buy gaming specific devices, even though the device, it could just be a chair, but people like specifically to buy gaming things. So, we already have like heated cushions and heated things for regular chairs, but I think that really if you can develop a cooling and heating pad for gaming chairs, especially for all the sweaty gamers out there, in the summer and in the winter that need temperature control, I think that can be a fantastic product that you can sell for $100 easily and make a good profit. And the final product is a lap desk. And I'm noticing that there is actually a severe lack of gaming lap desks, but you can make it with a cool design. You can make it like, war themed or racing themed or something like that, right? And you can even add RGB to it. For example, on Jungle Scout, it's showing $57,183 per month with an opportunity score of 7, which is great. The next niche is LED furniture. I honestly really like this because I think it looks super cool. Let me show you. So here it is. Here are some examples. So as you can see, there's like platform beds with LEDs. There's like TV stands with LEDs built into them. There's like a LED lighted liquor bottle shelf. Honestly, I really like this. Even just an idea that I just had is like a cigar humidor that's LED lighted, like a portable one, because I have a huge cigar humidor for my tobacco product, and that one has LEDs, but any of my small humidors don't have, like the small wooden ones. And some product ideas here. The first product is an LED coffee table, which looks like this. I really, really like this, to be honest. It looks very high tech, especially for somebody who wants their house to just have a, more modern design or just like high tech. As you can see, the average revenue here is $33,753. The second product idea is a smart LED bookshelf, and Jungle Scout is showing an average revenue of $53,217. Even though it shows a 4 out of 10 opportunity score, there's still some products here, because they're all different designs and they're not all LEDs here. There's still some, like this one, for example, that's making $15,000 a month, right? And it's high ticket, which is great, right? So you're making more profit per unit. Of course, it's more expensive, but it's just a simple bookshelf with LEDs, right? And the way that I would do it is I'd make sure that I'd make the LED adjustable, right? This one's making $18,000 a month, as you can see. The next niche is microcurrent skin devices. And here's what these products look like, as you can see. So they're basically new products that help with skin tightening and just help with skin health, and they make your skin look better. So if we open Jungle Scout, we can see that the average revenue for the niche is $71,530. The opportunity score is 7 out of 10. So we can see that there's a lot of money to be made here. However, I would say that for this product, you have to make sure that you check all of Amazon's requirements. You definitely want to make sure that you know whether your product is able to be sold on Amazon, without any certifications, or if you do need certifications, you need to make sure that your supplier has them, just as a note for this one. But the top products in this niche are microcurrent facial rollers, microcurrent eye treatment pens, and microcurrent body sculpting devices. Honestly, any products that are to do with beauty and personal care, that have to do with like hair regrowth, and as I mentioned before, and skin health, they're always going to be really, really banger products. They're going to sell well. It's just a question with these specific niches of finding the right products to sell, and also making sure that they're not restricted products on Amazon, and they don't have, they're like actually allowed to be sold. They don't have special certificates that you can't possibly get, for example. And the final niche is advanced sleep aids. So more and more people are having problems with their sleep, probably all the smartphone use, if I had to imagine, and people's health is just generally deteriorating for a variety of reasons. And so a product here is temperature controlled mattress toppers. And on Jungle Scout, when I pulled this one up, I was like, holy crap, $605,000 a month average revenue in this space. A 9 out of 10 opportunity score. There's so much money to be made here. There's so many different products, right? So you can literally just go through this and you can find infinite amounts of products. The key here is to go down through the rabbit hole of Amazon, which I'm going to show you here, for example, on this chili pad. So you scroll down and you see what people are buying that is similar to the products that are showing up. And that's really where the gold mine of Amazon is. That's where I found a lot of my products. And so as you can see, there's just all these different products here. Another example is a cooling weighted blanket coming in at an average revenue of $217,443 per month and an opportunity score of 7. I've never honestly found a 9 or a 10. I think I found 1 9 in this video, but usually you want to avoid the 9s and 10s because they usually have a lot of gimmicky products or like as seen on TV products. In the case of this video, the one that we found didn't. Okay, so now you have the product ideas. If you want to actually learn how to put them into practice, how to actually cash in on one of these product ideas and get a business up and running, take my free crash course that I put together. It's completely free, and it's going to show you how to build an Amazon FBA business the right way right now in 2024. Link is down below. Check it out. You're going to be able to get through it in a day. It's not too long, but it's super, super valuable. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I got a super exciting announcement in a few weeks coming. We're working on something very, very exciting at Ecom Academy, and I am just so excited to announce it, but I can't yet. So anyway, stay tuned. I do live mentorship sessions every single Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching, and I am looking forward to your freedom.